We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Up on the top, give you a new shutoff valve. So that's a Watts full port, quarter turn ball valve. So quarter turn on, quarter turn off. Stainless steel ball. So those are great. Solid brass connections. So brass there to stainless steel connectors. These are Falcon stainless steel connectors. They are the largest in the industry, full 3/4 inch diameter. They flow the best, very expensive, but we like to use those. Same thing on this side, Falcon stainless steel connected to existing plumbing. Unfortunately, that's a galvanized pipe, but that's what they stubbed out, so that's fine. We just don't like galvanized because it corrodes on the inside. Falcon stainless steel, so stainless steel does not corrode. Down to brass, that doesn't corrode either, so that's good. Existing venting back up in place, tied to a new draft diverter. Relief valve installed that came with the water heater. A little piece of pipe down to another Falcon stainless steel connector. So that's your drain line. It drains down this interior wall and then goes out to the side wall on the side of the house. And that's a temperature and pressure safety relief valve. Upper third adjustable strap, lower third adjustable strap, brand new gas connector over to the appliance. This water was hot about 30 minutes, I think, maybe even less. I talk a lot, so I lose track of time, but right now you've got it set at 120 degrees. That's approximate, but that's what we leave it on. A little dial right there points at hot, 120. A is 130, B 140, C 150, very hot, 160. We recommend leaving it hot. You got some problems with the hot water lines in the home, so you don't want to overpower those with too much hot water. You can turn it down based on your showering needs. What you want to do is all hot water in the shower, not hot and cold mixed together, but turn it all the way hot. If it's too hot, turn this thing down until you have that perfect temperature. But we leave it at 120 for liability purposes. That's good for most homes. If you have infants or elderly, that is even too hot. So about 7 minutes standing in full 120 degree water, you will begin to scald. Not like at 140, that's 3 seconds. So anyways, be mindful of that. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.